Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your profile picture pose in Roblox, or how to pose for profile picture in Roblox. First thing, just open up your Roblox app if you have done already. Next, make sure that you're using the Roblox app on your mobile device such as iOS or Android. Next, access your profile by tapping on avatar at the bottom here. Next, you're going to edit your profile picture. This is where we are right now. So you can also adjust or refine your avatar from this point, but that's not what's important right now. So classic items are not editable, as you can see. Next thing you do is, I want to show you how I got here. When you first open it up, you'll be in this spot. I'm sorry, I'm having a bit of a connection problem. Alright, when you first open it up, this is where you'll be. So at the top here, you scroll until you see animations. Tap on animations. And then you choose emotes. Right here, emotes. And then you can see these are different poses you can do. So this one, tilt, is free. We have salute, we have applaud, so we have hello, so if you want this one, you can see hello. We have stadium. These are different ways to pose. We have quiet ways. Now if this is the one you want, you have to pay 110 Robux for it. So we have baby queen, we have twice likely, baby dance, we have many of them. So choose the one you want, the pose you want. Let's say I want this one, tilt. And then I tap on it at the bottom, tap on get to get the item. If you have number of Robux, you can also buy the ones I can buy with Robux. Purchased. It's as simple as that. Now don't forget that you can also purchase with Robux to expand your posing options. What the ones I showed you. Look at them. The difference of Robux, you can see. Look at this one, really nice. Just for 170 Robux. There are really a lot of them. This is another one. You can see. So there are really many of them. You can see this one. So once you have enough Robux, just simply purchase them. Then try different emotes and camera angles to find the pose that best represents you, as you can see. See the camera angle, tap on this, then you can move to the left or to the right. Oh, I haven't actually done it, so I can't use that particular pose. But from here, you can see it. Just turn her around like this. Just keep sliding. See the best pose. See? So you choose the best pose you want. Now, I'm using the free one. You choose a different pose for that free one. You can choose like this, or like this, or like this. So, and then you click on it. So you can also customize by clicking on customize. So open up this place so you can see. You can also point. You can see. It's as simple as that. So, hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.